Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm diving into an intriguing new tool in the affiliate marketing world called Rigel. Ever heard of it? If not, stick around because this software might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. So, what exactly is Rigel? It's a SaaS platform that uses something called DeepSeek AI, which is claimed to be even more powerful than ChatGPT-4. Its main goal is to auto-promote Warrior Plus affiliate links, making it super easy for beginners to dive into affiliate marketing without any tech skills or experience. You can install it with just one click on any device, be it Mac, Windows, Android, or iOS. Sounds pretty nifty, right? Let's break down the features and benefits. Rigel comes with an auto-promoter that automatically promotes any Warrior Plus affiliate link you choose. It also has an offer selector that picks out proven money-making offers. The setup process? One-click install, done. It's designed to be newbie-friendly with a simple interface. Plus, it works on all devices, desktops, laptops, and mobiles. You also get built-in analytics and tracking to monitor your performance. And the cherry on top, it automatically generates traffic so you don't have to manually drive traffic yourself. There's even a commercial license included, allowing you to sell Rigel as a service. Now how does Rigel work? It's pretty straightforward. You install it with one click, select a Warrior Plus affiliate link, and Rigel's AI takes over, auto-promoting your link to generate traffic and sales. Easy as pie. What about the user experience using it? Well, the claims are quite bold. Users reportedly earning up to $529 a day passively. I found the testimonials and case studies promising, but remember, it's always good to independently verify these claims. Results can vary, and it's crucial to manage expectations. So, who should buy Rigel? If you're a beginner with little to no experience in affiliate marketing or someone who lacks tech skills or time, this might be perfect for you. It's also a great option if you're looking for a shortcut to affiliate marketing success. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions. No experience required, no additional purchases necessary, and there's no monthly cost if you grab it during the launch period, just a one-time price of $9.95. After that, it's $47 per month. They also offer a 365-day money-back guarantee with a 200% refund if no results are achieved. But remember, that's conditional and requires proof of effort. In conclusion, Rigel offers some impressive features and benefits for potential passive income. But always remember, there are no guarantees. Earnings claims aren't typical, and your income will depend on your individual effort and market conditions. Always seek professional advice before making any financial decisions. If you're interested, check the link in the description for a discounted price. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.